Hi guys, welcome to Cooking with Mitisha. In today's episode, I am going to show you how to perfectly baked potato in the air fryer. And if you're looking for crispy and perfectly baked potato recipe, then this recipe is for you. Here I have taken two medium size of potatoes and I have washed and cleaned them. I'm going to pierce the potatoes with the help of the knife at several places on the potatoes, so this way it will not explode in the air fryer and also will help in cooking evenly and faster. Now we will need to use oil at this point, and this is my current favorite oil, avocado oil. So I just wanted to show you. If I can find, I will leave link in the description box. Now you just want to add a little bit on each potato and also sprinkle salt on each potato as much as you like, and also you can omit it if you don't want to, but this will give nice flavor. Since we have pierced the potatoes, it will absorb all the flavor. So now you want to give a little massage and apply oil and salt evenly on the skin of the potatoes. And now our potatoes are ready to go into the air fryer. So let's put them into the air fryer basket. So I have arranged this potato basket and the dripping tray. Let's turn on the air fryer. Before I give you the exact timing and the temperature, I want to share that every air fryer works differently. So you guys want to adjust timing accordingly. Your air fryer might take less time or more time, so you have to adjust accordingly. I'm going to air fry my potatoes for 40 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit. So my potatoes are out of the air fryer and I baked them for 40 minutes, perfectly baked, and as you can see, the skin is nice and crispy. Look at the texture. And now I'm going to cut one open and show you from inside as well, so you can have an idea how creamy and perfectly cooked this potato is. So let's open one. Look at this potato, steaming hot. I hope you can see this. I'm just trying to show you with the knife how perfectly cooked is this potato. So now I'm just going to season this a little bit. Enjoy it however you like, with the seasoning, without seasoning. I'm just going to apply a little bit of butter on both sides. And a little bit of crushed black pepper. Look at this delicious, perfectly crispy baked potato in the air fryer. Please do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment box how you enjoyed it, how did you like it. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to support to my channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to watch all other videos listed right here, and like this video and share this video with your friends and family. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.